Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "There are some angels of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu who move around on the ways seeking those who remember Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. When they find the people remembering Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, they call the other angels, 'Come to your ends.'" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Then they surround them with their wings up to the lowest heaven. Then their Lord Jalla Jalaluhu asks them, though He Jalla Jalaluhu knows better than them, 'What do my bondsmen say?' They submit, 'They are extolling, magnifying, praising and glorifying you.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu then says, 'Have they sighted me?' They submitted, 'By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, they have not seen you.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, 'How would it be if they witnessed me?' They replied, 'If they sighted you, they would worship you more earnestly, glorify you more devotedly, and extol you more vehemently.' He Jalla Jalaluhu then says, 'What do you ask me for?' They whereupon submit, 'They ask you for paradise.' Allah Jalla Jalaluhu asks, 'Have they seen it?' They submit, 'No, O Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, they have not seen it.' He Jalla Jalaluhu asks, 'How would it be if they sighted it?' They submit, 'If they witnessed it, they would develop extreme eagerness for it, greater demand of it, and intense aspiration for it.' Allah Jalla Jalaluhu then says, 'From what do they seek refuge?' They submit, 'From hell.' Allah Jalla Jalaluhu thereupon says, 'Have they seen it?' They submit, 'No. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, they have not sighted it.' He Jalla Jalaluhu says, 'What would it be if they saw it?' They thereupon submit, 'If they witnessed it, they would more earnestly flee from it and more vehemently fear it.' Allah Jalla Jalaluhu then says, 'Be witness that I have pardoned them. One of the angels submits, amongst them is so and so, who was not included in them, but he had come under some need.' He Jalla Jalaluhu says, 'They are the people who sit together, and he who sits in their company cannot remain deprived.' Shoba has reported it from Amash without tracing it back to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Suhail, his father, Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, has reported it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6408.